Welcome to Collision Career Institute. Today we will explore CCI's solution versus other industry training. There are vital differences between CCI apprenticeships and traditional industry training. First, let's address the core issue: the pressing need for advanced auto collision repair shops to grow and retain a skilled workforce for consistent revenue growth. In an industry where skill and efficiency are paramount, it's crucial to address training gaps while producing technicians capable of delivering safe and profitable repairs. Enter CCI Apprenticeships. Our objective? To enhance shop performance and profitability by providing skilled, sustainable talent integrated into shop SOPs. What sets CCI apart? We assess candidates for work style and job fit, offer an immersive in-shop learning environment, provide comprehensive trainer development and coaching, ensure rapid ROI and a seamless transition from entry-level to skilled professional in just 12 to 18 months, and offer flexibility with anytime, anywhere learning. Now let's compare CCI apprenticeships with traditional industry training options. Traditional training programs often rely on simulated school labs, with outcomes rarely tied to real-world production improvement. CCI offers an on-the-floor skills transfer-based education that is repeated every day, week, and month to achieve mastery in a short time frame. CCI apprenticeships focus on integrating talent into shop processes, solving workforce challenges affecting production, offering real-world learning environments, ensuring apprentices produce shop revenue as they learn, and providing flexibility to learn and build skills without leaving the shop. When evaluating effectiveness, we consider key metrics such as revenue stability, bottom-line improvement, and technician skills development and retention. CCI apprenticeships have proven to be a game-changer for collision repair shops, providing tangible results and fostering long-term success. In conclusion, the benefits of CCI Solution for advanced shops are clear. By embracing strategic partnerships and investing in innovative training solutions, your shop can thrive in today's competitive landscape. Ready to take your shop to the next level? Contact Collision Career Institute today to learn more about how CCI apprenticeships can transform your business and lead to a sustainable workforce that adds predictable revenue directly to your bottom line.